The 2026 Honda Zoomer, known internationally as the NPS50, is back to turn heads and redefine what a small displacement urban motorcycle can be. In the world of scooters and city rides, the Zoomer has always stood out as something different, rugged, stripped down, and unapologetically minimalist. Now, in 2026, Honda has taken this cult classic and given it modern updates without losing the original rebel charm that made it famous. From the first glance, you can tell the 2026 model is a Zoomer. The exposed steel tube frame, the skeletal, industrial design, and the fat, chunky tires are all signature elements that riders have loved for years. But look closer, and you'll see that Honda has tightened up the lines, added premium finishing touches, and improved the ergonomics. The new LED headlight cluster is brighter, more efficient, and gives the bike a futuristic edge while still keeping that rugged street-ready feel. Underneath the unique styling is a small but capable 49cc 4-stroke engine, now updated to meet the latest emission standards while delivering slightly more torque for quicker acceleration off the line. It's still not built for speed. The Zoomer isn't about winning races, but it's quick enough for darting through traffic, easy to handle for new riders, and unbelievably fun to cruise around town on. The CVT automatic transmission means there's no clutch or shifting to worry about, making it an accessible ride for anyone, whether you've been on two wheels for decades or you're just getting started. The 2026 Zoomer continues to use a liquid-cooled setup, ensuring consistent performance even during hot summer rides or extended city commutes. Honda has fine-tuned the intake and exhaust systems for smoother throttle response and a bit more punch in the mid-range, making it easier to pull away from stoplights with confidence. Fuel efficiency remains outstanding. We're talking over 100 miles per gallon, so it's as light on your wallet as it is on the environment. One of the key charms of the Zoomer has always been customization. Riders love to modify these bikes, turning them into cafe racers, low-slung bobbers, or even futuristic cyberpunk rides. Honda embraces that spirit with the 2026 model by keeping the frame design open and accessible for aftermarket parts. They've also added multiple accessory mounting points, so you can attach racks, storage boxes, or even a secondary seat setup. The aftermarket possibilities are practically endless, which means every Zoomer on the street can be as unique as its rider. When it comes to comfort, Honda has made a few smart tweaks. The seat height is still low, making it easy for shorter riders to feel confident at stops, but it's been given extra padding for longer rides. The handlebars are positioned slightly closer to the rider for better ergonomics, and the footpegs have been adjusted for a more natural stance. The suspension has been upgraded too, telescopic forks up front and dual shocks in the rear, tuned to absorb the rough patches of urban streets without sacrificing stability. Technology plays a bigger role in the 2026 Zoomer as well. A fully digital display replaces the old analog speedometer, giving you speed, fuel level, trip meters, and even a clock at a glance. There's also a USB-C charging port discreetly mounted near the handlebars so you can keep your phone or GPS device powered on the go. And while it's still a simple, no-nonsense scooter, these small touches make it much more convenient for daily use. Safety has not been ignored. The 2026 model features upgraded braking with front disc and rear drum for balanced stopping power, along with Honda's combined braking system for added control. The new LED lighting all around, headlights, taillights, and indicators, ensures you're visible to other road users, day or night. Those big 10-inch tires with deep tread provide excellent grip on both wet and dry surfaces, giving you confidence in all weather conditions. In terms of color choices, Honda has gone bold this year. Alongside the classic matte black, you'll find bright neon green, deep crimson red, and a new pearl white finish that makes the Zoomer look surprisingly premium. There's also a limited edition camouflage pattern for riders who want to lean into the rugged, utilitarian vibe even more. Performance-wise, the Zoomer remains in its own category. It's not trying to be a maxi scooter, nor is it competing with sport bikes. Its charm is in its practicality, its unique style, and its fun factor. You can ride it to work, park it anywhere, and not worry about heavy maintenance costs. The simplicity of the engine, combined with Honda's legendary reliability, means you'll spend more time riding and less time wrenching. For 2026, Honda is also offering a range of official accessories, windshields, storage boxes, LED auxiliary lights, and even a comfort seat for touring. These are designed to bolt right on, keeping installation easy for riders who prefer a plug-and-play approach. So, Who is the 2026 Honda Zoomer for? It's for the urban commuter who wants something different from the crowd. It's for the beginner who wants a bike that's easy to ride but still has character. It's for the enthusiast who loves to modify and personalize their ride. And it's for anyone who just wants to have fun on two wheels without breaking the bank. The legacy of the Zoomer has always been about individuality. While other scooters hide their frames and mechanical parts under layers of plastic, the Zoomer wears its skeleton on the outside like a badge of honor. It's raw, it's honest, and it's unmistakably Honda. If you've never ridden one, the experience is hard to describe. There's a lightness to it, a sense of connection with the road that's different from a full-size motorcycle. The seating position, the upright bars, the responsive throttle, everything comes together to make even a quick run to the store feel like a mini adventure. In 2026, as cities become more crowded and fuel prices remain unpredictable, the Honda Zoomer makes more sense than ever. It's compact enough to slip through traffic, efficient enough to save you money, and stylish enough to turn heads at every intersection. Whether you're weaving through downtown or cruising along a coastal road, the Zoomer turns every ride into something memorable. Honda hasn't reinvented the Zoomer for 2026, and that's a good thing. Instead, they've refined it, modernized it, and made it even more appealing for today's riders. It's proof that sometimes the best way forward is to stay true to your roots while embracing just enough technology to keep things fresh. The 2026 Honda Zoomer is more than just a scooter. It's a statement that says you value individuality, practicality, and fun in equal measure. And in a world of overly complicated machines, the Zoomer's simplicity is its superpower. If you've been waiting for a sign to jump into the world of two wheels, this might just be it. The new Zoomer is ready to take you there, and it promises to make every mile a smile.